deals, we have a Hitachi 135 USR unit. It's right in the middle of stockpiling some dirt here. It's got a hydraulic quick connect on it, as you can see. It's working well, no leaks from any of the cylinders. Turret works well. This unit's mainly been used to do trench line work for the city and or pipeline, but not onto oil pipeline. As you can see, all the pins are tight here. It's a pretty clean, tight unit, maintained very well. It's always had veteran operators on it. Again, this unit's available through Equipment Deals. Please give us a call at our toll-free number at 1-855-EQ-DEALS, D-E-A-L-Z, or our local Texas number. This unit's located here in Irving, Texas, at 1-972-666-9501. Again, it's 1-972-666-9501. This unit's ready to go. As you can see, it's been working for quite a while here. A lot longer than I've been here today. I'm just getting a video of this unit, and it basically needs nothing. I mean, undercarriage has got a lot of good life left on it. Hasn't been tracked around a lot because obviously it's spent a lot of time on pipeline work. All the pins are tight, quick connects tight, and just a good maintained used unit here, boys. So if you guys are interested, please give us a call, and we have this unit available right now. Thank you.